From New York. This is an educational video how to set yourself up for the upcoming class. I hope I will give you some valuable tips. So first thing, I recommend to use either a laptop or a tablet. The phone is fine too, but the screen is smaller, so just keep in mind you won't see me as well. What I also recommend is to get a Bluetooth headset. I think it really adds up to the workouts. It gives more quality, you can hear me better, and even if you have family around, you will be less distracted by the noise because my voice will be right in your ears. All right, let's see how I set myself up here in my room. This is my laptop and tablet next to each other in comparison. As you can see, I have both on a stand. This is a laptop stand. You don't need really one. You could also place a couple of books here under. What I like about the laptop is that you can tilt it down. The camera on the laptop is on top, so the camera, if you tilt it a little bit, will point from the top down towards the floor where your mat will be. And for me as a teacher, this is the best angle to see you and also to correct you. That's the same for the iPad. The iPad has on one side a camera, so the camera should be always pointed on the top. And if you have a stand which can be moved, it would be great because then you can also angle it down. In the past, when I didn't have a stand, what I was doing, I was putting the laptop, the tablet on the table, and I was tilting it and leaning it against a heavy bottle filled with water. I mean, it's maybe not the best solution, but it worked for a while. So you just have to get creative if you don't have a stand. What I also like are headsets, Bluetooth headsets. This is a more professional one, which I can hook behind my ears. The good thing about it is it's when I tilt forward with my head, when I exercise, move left and right, it's not going to fall out of your ears. Then you have the cheaper version. I think I paid for these ones maybe, I don't know, $20 for my mat. What I like for the classes is if you would put the mat in a horizontal way towards the camera. So I will always see you from the side. And the distance between this mat and my laptop is about 2 meters. Maybe in feet, maybe between 6 and 7 feet away. I think this is a great distance so that I as a teacher can see the most of you. See also that I didn't put my mat right next to the wall, but I kept a little bit space so that you can stretch your arms. If you have a free wall either at one end of the mat or behind the mat, that would be great. Sometimes you just have to take off a painting from the wall, you know, if it's not too heavy. What I would like you to have is a chair for the workouts. Sometimes we might use them. It can be any chair. A light one will do. And what you also would need is a smaller towel, which you see here on the side. And also either 2 blankets. I have yoga blankets here. Most people don't have yoga blankets home, but it could be any other similar blanket like that. Some people have also just some beach towels, which will do as well. And here is the stretchy band. I'm gonna send link to those bands. Yoga blocks, they don't have to be out of wood. You could also just get yoga blocks out of foam. And this is all what you need. And I hope to see you in class. Bye.